The project's personally affected me in a very positive way. You've got pretty much everything here, the mountains, you've got the ocean, so many different types of wildlife here, and when you can see, an animal closely and work so closely with them, you really learn to appreciate the environment that you're in. The earthquake was a big disaster and affected the environment, but personally I've had an amazing experience. I've worked so closely with a marine mammal. November 2016, Kaikoura had an earthquake and just destroyed most of the road and rail along the State Highway 1 corridor. We had huge landslides and slips went down onto the beach. It was classed as emergency works, and so the construction work was very fast-paced. So mitigation means protecting the seals during the construction works and making sure that we're protecting them and their habitats while we're working. We moved them by hand, so we would go in and we would clear under rocks and shift the seals that way using people. And then we also used helicopters as well as a last resort to try and clear as many of them out the way of the works as possible. There's been a lot of awareness and a lot of involvement between construction crews and the environmental team. We worked very closely together for a long time, and it became the norm for us to have to protect the seals. So this is the Ohau breeding nursery pool and the famous waterfall in Kaikoura. And after the earthquake, the pool here was actually blocked up and filled up with sediment and rocks and debris from the earthquake. It's quite awesome to see and watch them play around in the water. I'm really proud, and I believe that Heb and VINCI would be very proud to be a part of the Nectar Alliance and be a part of the earthquake rebuild.